All right, are you waiting for Bridget Garza? All right, have you called her?
Yes, it's said, I don't, a lot of confusion that's going on, she said that she isn't here.
No, she didn't say she was here.
No.
She said she wasn't able to make it. She was trying to get a hold of him. He wouldn't answer. His mother was calling all the time. She said that her son was here in court this morning on time. I asked Lotta said he wasn't here. He had.
Oh, what's your name?
Orlando Cruz, I got here.
No. Let me check. What page is he on?
He's, toward the last page.
The last page?
Judge, the one that you had called and said if anybody's name wasn't called, stand up, he stood up.
Yes.
I had pulled the file because I had, he was ERs.
All right, so can you call Bridget and let her know he's here for her?
Okay.
Yeah, because he was in the docket, right? I had the file already
I'll look
pulled
at the document.
because, not the attorney letter.
Oh, I got it.
About it, and I just haven't had it out.
Yeah. I was like, see.
All right, Bashan, felony drug court graduation, October 4th. Yes, I will be there. You did that, awesome. Okay, from now on.
Yeah, you need
You're the
to,
rapper. Okay.
because you know, there's a lot of allergies going on during those graduations.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so let me put that on the calendar. All right, if anybody's ready, just let me know and I'll take you up. Those graduations are always so exciting. And Bashan, Kleenex time when we go there. Yes.
I remember when you went to, just like, what happened?
There were allergies. That's what we always say. There's allergies in the air. Well, since they're having graduation, they may be ready for more participants. Oh, Bashan, on September 28th, if you know anybody who is about to go to college, they have this free Ready Set College resource fair at 626 North Flores on September 28th, 2 to 4 p.m. Yeah, they'll give you SAT prep advice, federal aid information, admissions counseling, and virtual tour of colleges. I may just show up just to show up because I always want to know about valuable information. Michelle, I'm not going because they're giving away free snacks and popcorn and food prizes. I'm going to get informed. All righty. And that's 2 to 4 p.m.
Yeah, no problem. Another judge. I'll see you. Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
He was hiding in Nevada, the shop. He was hiding in Nevada on this property with a white little dog that he stole from that. He stole another dog. He stole a dog. From the last chick? Yes.
All right.
He took the dog.
And Deputy Laura, they're bringing them up now, right?
I'm sorry, who judge?
They're bringing them up. Let me see.
Yes, they're bringing 6 people that we have downstairs.
Okay, awesome. All right, let me see the file on Daniel Ramirez.
No, that's fine. You probably want to set it was accepted as well. I'm not gonna do that. You're not even doing yet. He's got, we want to start tomorrow morning. He's got some health issues. I just wanted to talk to you. I know that's what I wanted to actually talk to the judge, see if she'll just allow the clerks to do it once he's in jail. Set the bond. In other words, if she orders it, they don't put it on the system until he's actually in the jail.
All right, Daniel Ramirez. All right, if you come down, please. Norma, did you call David McLean?
Yes, Judge, I sent you all the messages. To your text.
All right. So it appears that Odyssey is doing some crazy things with the system. So even though we have you brought over, your attorney didn't get notice to be here. So what we're going to do is we're going to recall you. And we are going to recall it for September 9th. So not next week. And the reason why not next week, that's a short week. And if we recall it for September 9th, that'll give your attorney a chance to look over information with the states. Okay. All right. Do you have any questions? All right. Thank you so much for your patience. Daniel or Andrew, I don't know which one of you would be on Daniel Hernandez Ramirez. It's a possession 1 to 4 grams. That's going to come back on the 9th. If you all could confer off docket with David McLean. All right. Thank you.
You can see.
Daniel Ramirez. It's coming back on the 9th.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Let me see the file on Jesus Trevino. All right. Norma, on this one, did you contact Teresa Garcia?
She said doing a plea the 227th and she'll be right over.
All right. Your attorney will be here shortly. Okay. Thank you.
Reverse the motion to set bond.
Who's your client?
Kruger, Judge Joseph.
It's a motion to set bond.
All right, let's bring him down. Who is the prosecutor on Kruger? Hello. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 10268 and 2024 CR 3168. State of Texas versus Joseph Kruger. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? For the defense?
Adam LaHood.
All right, in each of these cause numbers, the defense has filed motion to set bond. State, have you had a chance to review the cause numbers?
No, Your Honor.
And have you had a chance to review the motion to set bond?
No.
All right, if you all will step back, he'll review it and then we'll take it up immediately.
Sounds good.
Thank you. Let me see the file on Joseph Grosso. All right, so this case is supposed to be set for November 18th.
Yes, Judge. He came in early, Judge. I went to take off the dog.
Okay.
Yes, yes, please.
Let me see the file on Arturo Villanueva. All right, Norma, on Arturo Villanueva, I need a jury trial date.
I'll do that one for,
Yes, I think this one.
I'm sorry, when? Okay.
Yes.
Make sure that's in the system and email the defense counsel that his jury trial is November 12th. All right, thank you. Let me see the file on Jason Montez. Oh, I have it. I'm sorry. What is the update on Montez's competency? He had a competency hearing.
John, you've heard,
Yes.
I think we have an agreement for you.
Okay, just give me one moment.
Of course, Judge, we'll wait.
It's up till 2 o'clock in the morning last night. Or this morning, whatever the hell it is.
You lost your days already.
Well, night, it's a night or morning now. Yeah, I had 3 trials, for 2 negative, 0.
Judge, they ordered the second eval on, May 1st and nothing has come back yet.
All right, so reset this for the end of September.
On the 30th.
Yes, is he in the box?
Yes.
Mr. Montez, if you'll come down, please. Hello. Hi. So, Mr. Montez, has a doctor come see you yet?
For what?
Just to talk to you about any issues?
Yes, I think so. They talked to me, like, they did a psychiatric thing on, for rehab and they checked my pill medication.
Okay,
And they said, what would I like to do? And I told them rehab. And then I still haven't got
Okay.
called since.
so this is what's gonna end up happening. They're gonna give a report to me and we'll bring you back as soon as that report is done. I'm gonna set it for September 30th, but if they're done sooner than that, we'll bring you back sooner. Do you understand?
No,
Okay, so I cannot go forward with your case until a doctor tells me that you're okay to go forward.
okay.
All right, so I have to wait for them to send me a report.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm been doing fine.
All right, have you been getting facial tattoos while you've been at the jail or that's before the jail?
That's before.
All right. Do you have any questions?
Would I be able to go for time served next September or? do I
Well,
have to
that'll
go
be
to-
something that your attorney will have to work on, okay?
All right.
That's what's called plea negotiations. So what will end up happening is your attorney will speak with the state, you know, after he's reviewed your case, because he may say this case needs to be dismissed and you don't want to plead to something that should be dismissed. Or he may say, okay, let's see if we can work something out. You understand?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any family?
Yes.
Have they been visiting you or calling you?
No, I've been contacting them.
Okay. So have they been answering your calls?
Yes,
All right. How old are you?
25.
Okay. All right. So what's going to happen, Deputy Laura, they're going to take you back. And then what will end up happening is I'll make sure that we get in touch with your attorney because if he wants you brought over sooner than September 30th, we'll bring you over sooner. All right? All right. Have a good day. Okay? All right. 2 seconds and then I'll be ready.
I love it.
I do too.
Yeah, the eyes will
Yes,
follow you.
That's all I'm saying, man. It's weird. No matter, it's the same being in trial with them, like.
Okay, it's gonna be Kruger and then it'll be Ugu. All right, Mr. Kruger, come down. All right, we are back on the record in 2023 CR 10268 and 2024 CR 3168, State of Texas versus Joseph Kruger. And if the parties could re-announce for the record, please.
Adam LaHood for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Kruger?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, in each of these cause numbers, the defense has filed a motion to set bond. State, have you had a chance to review the motions?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
Yes, Judge, I believe we have an agreement, if the court is inclined to follow it between the defense and the state. You said, is it 20 and 25 injured?
20,000 on 2023 CR 10268.
I'll slow down. So on what case?
2023 CR 10268,
And what's the amount?
20,000
Okay,
for CR 3168, 25,000.
all right, and that's what you're requesting?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, is there a reason why he doesn't have a bond?
He got rearrested towards the beginning of the month. At that time, that's what triggered the remand without bond. He has a bond on the new case, but he was remanded without bond on these cases.
All right, and what's the new case?
It's an evading evading arrest in a vehicle. I don't know much about it. I think Discovery just got uploaded this morning. I haven't had a chance to really review it, but the allegation is for evading in a motor vehicle.
All right. All right, Mr. Kruger, I have a few questions to ask you. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Judge.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Joseph Krieger?
All right. Do you have any type of employment?
Yes, ma'am. HVAC, I do HVAC work and I'm already lost it now. I haven't had no communication with them. Joe only called
I'm
collect.
sorry, I can't hear what you're saying.
I have no communication with my work employment. I had no access to the phone numbers. Jailers won't give me no phone number for me to call. My phones were thrown in the back of the trunk of my vehicle. I was very disrespectful, handled as a citizen. As the video showed, I was asking them what did I do wrong.
No, here's the thing. My question for you is,
I have a job.
do you have employment? Yes or no?
Right now, I don't know. It's up in there because I've been locked up for 3 weeks now.
If I may clarify something, Judge,
Yes.
before you were arrested, were you working?
Yes, sir.
Where were you working before you got arrested?
Blanco Heating and Cooling.
Assuming that you didn't lose that,
Sorry, what?
oh,
Blanco Heating and Cooling in
Like-
Blanco, Texas.
assuming that you weren't terminated because of the arrest, is that your intention to go back and work for Blanco Heating and Cooling?
Yes, sir. To plead, if I lost my job, to plead back for my employment.
Have you ever used any drugs?
In the past history, yes, ma'am.
What?
Marijuana, cocaine back in the 90s. Marijuana was my thing back. Got to speak in the court a couple of times and I was straight up with you about it. But I haven't done it since I got my job. And I was doing side jobs here and there before I got the Blanco Heating and Cooling job. But I'm clean.
Any mental health issues?
No, ma'am.
Ever been diagnosed with mental health issues?
No.
All right. So I don't know the circumstances behind this case. But if he's working HVAC, I don't think he should be working inside people's homes. So is the primary work that he does outside the home?
Commercial, residential, but I have my license. Got that when I was in federal prison, ma'am.
All right. So based upon his charges, I don't think anyone would want him working in places where he has the potential to have access to documentation.
Yeah, so thought, Your Honor.
Yes.
My thought is that if I understand correctly, Mr. Kruger was performing these tasks while he was previously on bond.
For evading, I think, and for these two cases.
Well, just at least for the fraud and the two fraud.
That would be my understanding. It's the evading came at the beginning of August, so he's been more or less, well, he has been locked up since that day.
And these
2001.
two cases are 3 and 4 years old. So while I understand the court's concern, it does seem a little bit like closing the barn door after the horse is already asleep.
Well, what I can say about closing barn doors, sometimes I'm not the person who opened the door. Whoever gave the conditions left the door open. And so sometimes I see it as my duty to close it. What I can tell you is that as part of your conditions of bond, I'm going to order that you let employers know what you're charged with. And you're gonna have to do it in writing.
I was in a vehicle, rental car, not my vehicle, whose car that was.
No,
We'll talk about it.
I'm just doing strictly with this. I don't know the facts of your case. Nobody has presented any facts of your case to me because I guess people don't want me to know what the facts of your case are. But what I'm just telling you, based upon what you're charged with, I don't think anyone would want you working in a position where you have access to identifying information. If this is commercial, if you're only working outside, then maybe you don't have access to identifying information. If it's
True.
somebody's home and you're working outside, and maybe you're never coming inside to get access to identifying information.
Residentials that we do, ma'am, it's brand new homes. There's no residents living inside there.
I don't think you should be inside a home, period.
Okay.
So I don't know, counsel, how do you want to address that?
And it's certainly within the court's discretion as far as what conditions he'd want. I would tell him if it's not to be within the home, if he does work on the commercial basis, it would have to be exterior of the buildings. I know HVAC units are on the outside on the roof
Yeah.
or things of that nature. And I'll make sure, like I said, he notifies in writing. I'll even draft a letter for him to give, explain the charges that are pending.
Okay. Then, and the cause number ending in 10268. I'll follow your agreement. Set your bond at $20,000. There's to be no employment. Within residential homes. Or inside commercial buildings. Which are occupied. And there is to be regular, random UAs, waive fees. And in the cause number ending in 3168, I'll follow your agreement. And set your bond at $25,000. There's to be no employment within residential homes or inside commercial buildings. Which are occupied. All right, your jury trial is scheduled for November 4th.
Yes, I believe that's correct, Judge.
All right, and was he given a reset form at the last time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We signed, we had two, it got a little confusing. We had two reset forms though, one for today and then one for the 4th of November.
Okay,
And both dates show up on Odyssey if you look at them.
yes. Okay, you'll be back on November 4th for your jury trial.
If you get out.
All right, good luck to you.
Is I
Thank
want to
you.
get, I want to get you a business card when you get out. Just get in touch with me, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge. You
You're
have a good day.
welcome.
I'm gonna get a talk real quick. Hang on. a second. Oh, yes, all right. That's all I need. No, it's fine. Not hard to find.
Hello, just 1 second.
No, ma'am, it's, yeah, 25,000 and 20,000. Yeah, my card. It's all in the system. Yeah, you're good. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on.
I would hire you 100%.
Wait, is that Bear Tree? I'm sorry.
I would hire him too if needed. And I would hire you if needed.
I would find you out, he would represent you.
Oh, thank you. And I would make sure I would show up for court ahead of time. I'd be on time. All right. And Adam, if you want a copy of that, they can have you take a photo of it.
I'll be all right. It's in the
Okay.
system.
Oh, the
will
system is
say-
not to be trusted.
I was gonna say,
Tune in right now.
I'm waiting to hear back what we're doing about directives, because directives are attaching their money.
Oh,
But
boy.
as soon as I.
Isn't the whole thing down?
Oh,
Yeah, well, next week when everything's shut down, they should just pull the plug and restart all over again. Because nothing works.
No.
Well, I have a very particular problem right now.
What's that?
It's creating warrants that are not attached to cases.
Oh, that's fun.
It came from the city mag.
City man.
Yeah, so now I have to wait for them to go into shift. I called Tony, he told me to call Ben,
What's city man doing?
2 different clerks. I don't think they meant to. I think something went wrong.
Well, there's a defense attorney that got appointed to a JP court case this morning, right? I'm not joking. It was a client. They picked up a speeding ticket and it said you're appointed to represent them on a speeding ticket.
I mean, this is the second time that's happened to this week.
I don't know. Just good luck with that. Thanks, Andrew.
I have to now make sure I put everything
Yes.
in Odyssey. Okay.
And pray it stays there.
Oh, gosh, yes. If it doesn't say there, I'm gonna be very disappointed because the system moves so slow. It takes a while to put it in there.
You can also access it on client.
I know where to find it.
Fair enough.
No, find it.
Are you talking about the offense for September 1st, 2023 or after September 1st, 2023? Because there are different versions of the offense codes depending on the offense.
No, you're right.
Yes.
Judge, we were on the record.
Yes, it was.
Actually, I just go with whatever.
Yes.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes.
This is purely just for your reference in case I have to address it later.
Okay.
It is a very new indictment. It has not even had a proper setting. I don't even think you have a file. It just came out a couple of days ago.
All right.
Bonds have been posted and cleared. For some reason, City Mag created 2 warrants that are not attached to any cases spontaneously yesterday. I am trying to undo them. The
All right.
reason I wanted to apprise you was because this defendant is set to report to pretrial tomorrow.
Mhm.
And the pretrial officer was actually the one that said, hey, he's been really good. I see 2 warrants that he didn't have last week, just letting you know. I would be hopeful that before any kind of warrant was signed, that they would send a violation report to you, so you can have some context perhaps, and I could
Well, I will
approach.
tell you, pretrial services, whenever they send a violation report to me, I send them an email and ask them if the person is still in compliance
Excellent,
and non-compliance. And if they say no, then I have Norma set it for hearing.
understood.
Yes.
Okay, it's probably we're probably gonna forget, but just in case, the defendant's name is Christian Ruiz,
Christian, what?
Christian Alan Ruiz Garcia.
It's here.
I don't remember. I don't
Yeah.
remember.
Oh, it's up here.
I'll just say incorrect warrant created at MAG and it'll come back.
It's a steel trip.
I am doing everything I can to fix it before his reporting date tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Judge. I'm sorry.
Welcome. No
Thanks,
problem.
Jen. Thank
All right,
you.
can I see the file on De La Garza, please?
2 different clerks. It's gotta be a mistake. It's gotta be.
It's
something.
Bridget Garza's client,
That phone?
De La Cruz. Yeah. All right. De La Cruz, come forward.
How you doing today, man?
Oh, I'm doing fine. Pretrial services says you're not reporting to them. They haven't had contact with you.
I have been. I actually just got off the phone with I forgot what his name was. I think it's McCoy.
Mm-hmm.
It's McCoy. Yeah, he said he's gonna send you a letter and everything to clear everything up. Cause I was leaving, they had another officer that I was supposed to report to. I was leaving messages on both ends. And then I also emailed them as well. And then he says he's gonna send a letter. I think that was either Monday or Tuesday. And then I know I don't want you to repeat yourself, but I know you did say that's not the same with reporting to your bondsman, but I have been reporting to my bondsman as well.
All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to send an email
Yes, ma'am.
to pretrial services and have them zoom in.
Okay. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. So just have a seat and
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will take it up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Garza, as soon as they zoom in, we'll take it up. Michael Egu,
Judge, Mr. Ugu has a warrant and had been wanting to surrender him tomorrow. But I understand the court's not gonna be here, so I filed the motion outlining what's going on with Mr. Ugu health-wise. So that the court would consider setting a bond on him. Attached also is the MTR, Judge, and I believe that there's a mistake in the MTR and that the allegation of the new number one is the 2023 offense prior to his being placed on probation. And I did provide a counsel with a copy of the information, but I don't know what happened to it.
all right, so if you all can find that, because the new number one.
I'm sorry, I have it.
They have the date as August 8th, 2024.
Yes, Judge, and I believe that's incorrect. I believe it's a July 2023 offense date, Judge.
All right.
I pulled a copy of the.
If you all want to
information
look
today.
at that to see if you want to,
Apologize for interrupting, Your Honor. I'm
Mhm.
looking at it right now, and the information in cause number 2024 CC 735522 alleges an offense date of July 22nd, 2023, which does seem as though it would predate Mr. Ugu's placement on supervision.
okay. And that's family violence, correct?
No, Judge,
Is it or no?
it is not. Judge.
That I do not know, Your Honor.
All right, then it seems to me that maybe you all should speak with probation. Because he's on probation, correct?
He is, she's on
All right,
the,
so you want to speak with probation?
certainly,
All right,
whatever the court wants. Well, I don't, I said, maybe I have one copy for probation.
okay.
Well, thank you, Judge.
You're
I'm a
welcome.
little off today, Judge, I apologize.
All right. Oh, you're excused. And Jennifer, Rodney Brown isn't here. So you can go ahead and put that in the system.
Yeah.
Yes. And can I see the file on Arnold Garza and Francis Medina?
Arnold Garza and Francis Medina.
Yes. Actually, you can just give me the remainder of the files. Okay. Let me see if I have it. No, I do not.
I think she was one of the people.
Okay, I am
On
looking.
that one, Judge, they're gonna plead in misdemeanor court, so they're holding off on the pre-indictment, they're gonna get away with it once she does the misdemeanor. And Medina, Francis Medina.
Okay. So when are they planning on doing that? Daniel, what is happening on Francis Medina?
Judge, what's happening there, they're leaning on all of the cases in Martin Court. And then it's gonna be evaluated for us, we're on the court, on custody, we were told by the CLO in court next door that, in order for her to be evaluated for us, on the, I have no idea. I checked. with it.
Okay.
And we don't.
All right, Miss Medina, come down.
That's the only. Once the one goes out, we don't have.
Hello, you understand what's happening?
No.
I wanna say that's a big-
All right, so they're saying that you're gonna be taken to misdemeanor court and that they're gonna have you evaluated for Esperanza Court, which is a treatment court.
Yes.
And if Esperanza Court accepts you, then this case will be dismissed. Is that correct?
Because she's still in the States, it's just, these remain open.
All right, so this case is a drug case? All right, so do y'all have the labs? So why are we not just doing that here and then I can order Esperanza Court?
That was one thing that we had put forward. And that could be a possibility. I think the issue is that, when this community CLO is concerned is that if we were to do that, the evaluation wouldn't happen because he's got approaches.
No, it'll happen in custody. So Ms. Ferguson, if you can have Anita Garza come back here. All right, we'll take care of it today.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Arnold Garza, if you can come down.
Hey, Your Honor, how you doing?
Hello, how are you doing?
I can't complain.
All right, just give me one moment.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Dela Cruz. Officer McCory. He's connecting to audio.
Okay.
Hello, Officer McCory. You're on mute.
Oh,
Hello.
hello.
Hi, thank you so much for zooming in. I appreciate it. We're here on Mr. Dela Cruz. Have you had contact with him?
Yes, we actually spoke and completed our orientation on the 22nd.
All right. So is there anything else that he needs to do? Do you have all of his correct contact information?
Yes, I do.
All right. And you have his contact information?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the officer you will be in contact with for your pretrial services?
Yes, ma'am, going forward. I also received a text as well today contact you.
All right, and so pretrial services is different from showing up to court and different from what your bondsman, because
Yes, ma'am.
maybe your bondsman will just know about your court dates,
Yes, ma'am.
but not about this. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
make sure that you stay in contact with them.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Ms. Thank you so much for zooming in, officer. You're excused.
Thank you.
All right. So Ms. Garza, on this case, have you received any of the discovery?
I have not.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 30 days for discovery.
Okay.
All right, so we'll be back on September 30th.
Yes, ma'am.
At that time, your counsel will let me know she's received all of the discovery.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Thank you for dressing
Thank
appropriately.
you. I
for court.
appreciate that.
All right, just have a seat and Ms. Ferguson will call you up with the reset
Thank you.
form.
Have a
Excuse
blessed.
me, hold on a second.
Yes.
Mr. De La Cruz,
Yes, ma'am.
I need to be able to contact you personally.
I know I'm getting all that situated. I do apologize.
Okay.
It's been a little rough these past couple of weeks.
All right, I need to
I'm
be
getting
able to
situated.
contact you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Okay.
Do you have
Thank
her
you.
number?
Yes, I do have her. Yeah, I got everything in mind.
All right, and you have her email and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
All
so
right,
this is what you need to do. You need to text her, you need to email her your information,
Mhm.
because it does no good to have an attorney and you're not in
Yeah.
contact.
No, I understand. I understand. It's just, it's a lot of stuff on this.
All right, you got to put it on the calendar, okay?
I will. Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Have a blessed one.
All right, you too.
thank you.
You're
May I
welcome.
Excuse, Judge?
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. Bye-bye. Still can't believe y'all had me watching The Worst Ex. And that's a true story.
It is a true story. We were not done, Judge. You just cheated. You went to the clip notes.
I did.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes.
They're gonna withdraw the NPR.
Okay.
We'll finish it.
All right. Ms. Abrams, on this case, are you all going to be able to address his issues?
Yes, Judge. I'm going to speak with the officer.
All right.
Just get a copy or take a picture.
This second.
Oh, I'll sign. I'm
Judge,
sorry.
here's with Bridget.
Yes,
It's in the system for the 17th. Don't move the 17th or change it to the 30th.
change it to the 30th. That'll give them time to get discovery.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. You still want your bond heard?
No, Judge. Thank you.
See, I knew, there are thoughts that are happening. Once I knew that the new number one was gone.
I appreciate that, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, Anita said she can submit it.
Yes.
Did you put your email?
Yes, ma'am, at the bottom.
Is there anything else you're waiting for, Tony?
Just gonna get a copy, just, just
Okay.
honestly, question.
You may want to take a photo of it.
That's what I was
because we
thinking.
have- I handed it to them.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, you mean the motion to withdraw?
Yes.
She has it. so
Oh, I'm
she'll-
sorry. That's nice. Thank you again, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good one. All right, Deputy Laura. They have a warning out. CDC warns against eating recalled deli meats. Fatalities rise. So I don't know what that's about.
I think it's forehead cap.
Oh. And there's a new species
Thank you.
in marine life. Okay, have you ever heard of a Casper octopus? Looks like Casper the ghost, but it's an octopus.
You could give Benjamin extra bench.
Oh, has everyone signed the card for Norma Laura? I'm sorry, not Norma Laura. Sorry, Norma. Norma Nero.
I have not.
Okay.
What is this for?
The interpreter is retiring. Whenever you all are ready, just let me know.
I'm ready, Judge.
Okay. And your client is Mr. Garza?
No, Jesus Trevino, Judge.
All right, could I see the paperwork on Jesus Trevino or his file, please? I think so. So how's it been going?
It has been going very well, Judge.
And the traveling Garcias?
The traveling Garcia, I can't complain.
Yeah.
Because I did the Camino. Listen, Judge, it was life-changing.
See, I need to do that. So how was the?
But you have to
walk?
go for a while. You know, you can't just go for the last, because then it's like not so hard and you're like, ooh. But if you do a little bit longer, it's so exhausting that you're like, when you finish, you're so proud of yourself. And plus you go, my job at home is what she's doing.
Yeah, but you know what, too? I think people have told me it's sort of like a spiritual awakening. You know, when you get to sort of commune with nature and you really see
Yes.
what's what.
Yeah, and then doing it with Jude, it's like, I would cry about that one. It's like so lucky.
Because my mom always would tell us, well, still tells us, you know, God's taking care of birds and plants. You're going to be fine. He'll take care of you. So I'm like, you know what, you're right. And you know, the birds are happy. They're chirping.
Yes.
So
So you're
surely.
right. When we get nervous or something, you're right. I didn't even think about it. How's she doing?
Oh, she's doing well. So I want to go back and see her next week.
Always tell her I send the love.
Okay, I will. She's always, is Richard doing
Yeah,
crazy
yeah,
things?
that's not Richard.
Yeah.
She says, Richard,
What it told
she's
us to
like,
do is that
Stephanie,
click on the,
Richard, he's always doing things where he has his foot on a banana peel next to an open grave. She's like, stop doing dangerous things. She's like,
I
it makes
know.
my heart races.
It's like, it makes mine too. And he's always like, you're like, oh my God, then what is it? You know?
When he was telling us he was driving on the narrow roads and then a diesel's headed at him, we're like, Richard. Because Richard, I mean, my mom always considered you and Richard part of her children.
I know.
She's like, why must my children be doing
I
dangerous
don't
things?
post anything. I don't want anybody to know because like my dangerous things. I'm like,
So then my mom will say, and I thought it was only my son, Richard. Now I see my daughter Teresa's doing crazy things.
I know. It's so cute.
All right, Jesus Trevino, if you'll come down, please. So Teresa, on this one, we're awaiting an evaluation.
Well, the evaluation came through. Tomorrow we have our hearing.
Okay.
And so then after that, I think we'll be good to go.
All right. So do you know what they're saying the results are?
Well, they're saying that he is competent. And so we have to.
All right. So what I'll do,
I was thinking of, I was almost thinking about getting a second evaluation, but you know, in talking to him throughout all the months and stuff that I've had him as my client, he does sound much better. So it might be
okay.
correct.
When do you want him brought back here?
Here, Well, I don't know, 30 days,
I mean, we can do,
because he's got so many cases.
oh, how many cases does he have?
He has a few, Judge. Let me get my phone just for my calendar.
All right, I'll be able to look on on our docket sheet. Let me see.
I think some just got cited.
Well, he does have an evading and a
Right,
theft case, and then he has a drug case less than a gram.
right. So I don't know if all of them have been indicted yet,
Mhm.
or just some of them, or,
All right, how about this? I'll recall it in 3 weeks to see where we are.
okay.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 3-week reset on Trevino, please? You know Jimmy Allison is retiring.
No.
Yes, they're having something for him today at, let me see, I want to say it's at 3:30. And they want us to line up on the civil side to see him off.
Oh, that's so nice.
So-
So this could be next door or what?
Yes, and it's on I'm assuming it's on the first floor. And then the interpreter, Norma Nero, is retiring.
Norma's retiring too?
Yes, and they're having something for her at 4:30 at the Gavel.
Oh my God.
That's right across.
The luck of people who have worked. It's like-
All right. All right, we'll be back on September 19th. All right, is that good for you, Ms. Garcia?
Yes, it is, Judge.
All right, we'll see you back on the 19th.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a seat, sir.
Okay. We'll go from there. All right, Judge, thank you.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
I'm gonna try to get my mom to Italy, so we shall see.
Oh my God. If you go to Italy, if you go to Rome, I'm gonna give you the name of this little family-run restaurant. It's inexpensive, but it's the best food.
Okay, you have to give that to me because we're gonna eat our way through Italy, but I also want her to see the Vatican and everything.
Right, so this is in Rome, and many years ago, I was with some friends of mine who were like, they are UTSA professors, and they had some kids, and we were traveling, just walking, and we found this restaurant. We're like, oh, let's stop. Oh my God, Judge, delicious. So when I went back with Jude, I'm like, Jude, I'm gonna take you to my favorite restaurant, and it was out of this world.
Okay,
delicious.
you're gonna have to give me the info and I'm gonna tell them Teresa sent me here.
Yes.
Everybody knows, will know you there.
Daniel.
Picture.
Okay. All right, have a good one.
Okay.
No, it's a less than a gram. That's what it actually is.
Because on the docket, it has possession 1 to 4.
That's what it was initially charged at, but then the weight came back.
So on the docket, and then honestly, it's still 1 per person.
And Ms. Perez, just give me a moment.
And Judge,
Yes.
don't know how to do the waiver. That is
Okay. All right. We're gonna walk ourselves through it. Let me see.
Well, it's just one case, so do I print out my? Yeah, it does. No, no, no. I mean, no, no, it's just like, that is not. Oh, you don't.
All right, so Ms. Pettis, on your case, the state informed me that there was going to be a plea on this case, but that this felony case needed to remain open so that she could be reviewed for Esperanza Court.
That's correct.
I can hold her for Esperanza Court, so that's not a problem. So they're gonna send you paperwork and we're gonna take care of it today.
The problem with that, Judge, is that Esperanza Court, I believe, I guess Judge Vara spoke to the director Natalie, I believe, and she stated that she will be released if she pleads out on both cases, and so that's not.
No, not
no.
if I put a directive in that she's to be held until interviewed by Esperanza Court, she will not be released. So Esperanza Court will be able to interview her at the jail. But I'm not going to have this case out here if the whole purpose is she's gonna plea on this case also, but we're just afraid that they're gonna release her. She could make bond on this case, then she'll be released anyway. So we'll
That's
do the.
correct, Judge, but I guess the other issue is that this case is still unindicted. I had Norma set this case so that we could confer because we kept getting reset on the misdemeanor and there was already results back. And so there is not an indictment as well, so.
Oh, that's why they do it as a waiver plea.
I don't know, Daniel, it's up to you. I mean, can I confer with Daniel real briefly, Judge?
Sure.
It's Adrian. I
I'll
can
put you in the in a waiting room.
I can give her a call.
Yes.
said that she's on.
Oh, okay, I'll wait till she finishes.
Okay, Judge, I'm back. So I spoke to Natalie Perez from the Esperanza Court and I was on the phone with her. And she does say that she does want another order of referral, even though the County Court 15 did one for her. She said that we'll probably have to do another one. So I don't know if I can fill that one out and I just email it to the court for them to sign.
Oh, you all just do the plea bargain agreement and then I'll take care of that.
You'll fill it out?
Once you all enter your plea, then I will take care of that.
She gave me the form for me to fill out so I can email it to the court.
No, you all need to, are you all entering a plea on this case or is this case going to trial? That's my question.
Well, I'm comfortable, Judge. I just want to make sure to let my client know that this is going to be for a longer term before we sign anything.
My understanding is that you all had already talked about a plea bargain agreement. Where is your office, counsel?
Right now, I'm at my home office, Judge. I'm not there right now. I'm not
All right.
down anymore. I'm like 30 miles away.
All right, so we'll wait for you unless y'all can do the plea by Zoom. So it's completely up to y'all, whether y'all want to do it by Zoom or you can come back down.
I think Daniel said that he had prepared the paperwork.
All right, then you need to come back down and take care of your client's case.
So I'm not allowed, she's not allowed to execute the documents electronically, Judge?
Okay, so here's the thing. I don't understand why people are leaving court before seeing me, but we are where we are now. And where we are now, if that paperwork cannot be produced by the state because there's been some issues, then you're going to have to come back down to take care of that. So that's where we are.
I mean, I guess that's fine. Judge. We don't need that paperwork because we've already got it in County Court 15.
All right, so here's the thing. County Court 15, which I think that judge is great. I think County Court 15 is great, but this is the 187th Judicial District Court. District Court takes precedent over misdemeanor court. I don't know why there was some sort of an agreement where people were like, oh, she's going to plead to the misdemeanor case, but then she's going to come back and plead to the felony case at a later date. We are taking this felony case now. Whatever County Court 15 is doing, that's their jurisdiction over misdemeanor cases. I'm in felony court. Felony courts takes precedent over misdemeanor court. So here are y'all three choices. One, state, are you able to do the paperwork electronically?
Judge, I can, it's the thing, again, confirming with defense that the agreement that we talked about in County Court 15, agreement for this case, is that the agreement that they're going.
All right. So,
What? I didn't hear what he said, Judge.
all right. So what he's saying is that you need to come back down to the 187 District Court and we'll wait for you here. All right. You're here on your case?
Yes, Your Honor, we reached an agreement. So we're ready to go whenever recorded.
All right. So who is your client?
Mr. Arnold Garza right here?
Arnold Garza?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then after this, I'm going to go next door to see Mr. Allison off. I hope I have not missed it. Court is calling 2022 CR 7734, State of Texas versus Arnold Garza. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris, Edelman.
Defense?
Leland McCray, on behalf of Mr. Garza, who's to my right.
And are you Mr. Garza?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you all do a trial court certification?
I did.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Garza, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am, I sure did.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Arnold Garza who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 7734 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on May 9th, 2023 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
In Bear County, Texas, the defendant Arnold Garza did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June and July 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State and the other violations?
Waive and abandon the remaining violation allegations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
None.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 6 years in the prison and a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Revoke supervision, judgment, and assess punishment of confinement at 3 years, Your Honor. In the penitentiary.
Is that the agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Garza, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am, actually.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Probation, do you know if the lab testing for SAPD, if that fee was paid?
It was not.
It was not?
It was not.
All right. Do you have amount?
Judge, I actually don't have an amount.
All right. All right, the court will follow your agreement, grant the motion, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing. Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I sure did.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I sure do.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
I'm at 40.
All right, 10 more years, you're gonna be on the downside of your life unless you're expecting to live past 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe you will, who knows?
Yes, ma'am.
You're gonna have to change your life.
Yes,
If you don't, you're gonna end up living in prison.
ma'am. I understand that.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. You have a good day, man.
You too. All right, so I'm going to take a break, everyone. I'm going to go to this retirement celebration with him, and then I'll be back and we'll